I'm gonna go let my dogs out.
You're gonna leave your dogs
Let
out?
the dogs out.
Who? IKEA time? I think it's IKEA time. So me and my friends played the scary poopy Roblox game, and to be fair, it was really fun. I streamed this on Twitch. Go give me a follow. Go give me a Twitch donation for shaking my ass. And anyway, onto the video. How scary is it?
Mucho miedo. No, I'm just kidding.
In Minecraft,
I'm at a
I like it cut, G.
Oh, this is early.
I like it
This
cut,
is only
G.
on day 19.
I like it cut, G.
What the fuck is this music?
I know.
Wait, I don't even have my phone on.
Hey, Ben, around. Where are you, Ben?
Basically, IKEA SCP is where you survive while faceless IKEA employees chase you.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, man? Can you help me out here?
What sections are you guys on? Like, what furniture?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
What aisle are you guys on? Oh wait, I see shelves. I see shelves are really good at pallets.
I'm just making a little one by one already. Just like screw it.
Nah. I have a home now.
Oh!
If you guys see some... Oh, the fuck! Oh! He's so buff! Help me!
I'm running with one as well, but I don't think it's
You
really
see me?
Ben! Come with me! Come with me! There's a full-on base over here. Look, follow me.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Oh, thank God! Look, Ben. Look over here. We can make this a full-on base.
Okay. What do we call them?
I don't know, but I'm gonna.
Holy
make a wall.
shit! There's a lot of health kits. How do you use them?
You can put G to collect them. No, I mean F to collect them, and G you open up your inventory and you press interact and you use them. We need to find gases though.
I'm making a full on a house over here.
I may have let out the prisoner that we originally had.
Oh no, he's there. Oh wait, no, that's yeah. Yo, fucking leg day. Ben, come over here.
Holy shit! No. Go.
I can't get on. Oh, they're getting me, Ben, run! Just hold it up. I'm holding him up.
Get in.
I can't.
Get in. God, this game's horrifying. Oh!
Oh, thank God, I was getting chased.
What? Yo, there's an end to this map.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is, but there's no way out.
Day for too long, Ben.
Is it the feeling? Oh.
Oh, fuck!
And this is where I die.
I'm going.
Oh, I see someone jumping.
What?
Not me. It's not me.
Oh no.
Lamp stuff.
Yeah, no.
Oh, Ben!
Hey. Okay, where do you want to go, dude?
Come back to my little home.
The pallet house is like 2,000 meters away.
Look at my shitty home, Ben. I was barely building it. Look right here. It's literally a fucking alleyway.
There you go. Bada boom, I got light.
I found you guys. I was in my phone running across.
We're all here. The gang is here.
Oh, thank God. It's the light. Let there be light.
Hey, Ben. Perfect, Ben. God.
Shit, sorry.
I gotta
Sorry.
get ready. I gotta get up.
The king one way pulls out the AK. He pulls out the Vandal, Gusas. You get that reference?
Ben, just go bring more beds, Ben. Ben, can you just put them over here, Ben, please? Not. Oh my fucking God.
Nothing.
Ben, go look for a TV, preferably a 75 inch.
No, I'm not gonna. It's my couch.
Oh yeah, you just You just got the couch, right? You sleep there.
Bitch, it's a lot
I'll
better
sleep
than-
in the walls. I'll sleep in the walls. Because they're made out of beds.
And I asked them like, how
Oh no! Drop the fucking object! Drop the fucking table! Drop the table!
Hey, come on, Alex. Alex, let's just hang out. Let's just hang out. Oh!
Place the thing!
Okay. Put the pallet back!
Yo! Oh my god! Guys, I'm steaming! I'm steaming!
Who dropped the? Oh, he's there.
He's still there. He's still there.
Who took up the cow?
Put the couch back up there.
No, fuck off.
I'll put it. I'll risk it.
No. No.
He's there. Oh fuck! Open it! Close it! Oh my god!
He's still chasing me. Shit. Go! Rotate it.
Get me in! Please, Ben.
I gotta rotate it.
Little bit. I dropped him out. I'm safe. No, not really.
Okay.
I gotta finish making my house. Oh, thank God.
Thank God.
Okay.
Okay, we need to improve this. How did they get over it? They can't get
What
over
do you mean?
it.
How do they get over it? Wait.
Oh! It's the lamp. It's this lamp. At least one of them is this lamp. We need to. Are you gonna trap him then?
Yeah.
You can get more glass tables.
I need food. I'm dying. Or
No.
Oh, who died?
Alexander.
Ow!
He said it. He didn't have enough time to say it. He said, "Food. I need food. Oh crap! I'm dying."
What?
Oh, he's already here.
bro, I died.
Yeah, I've been through here, but I didn't have time to get food.
my-
Fuck it.
Oh. Fuck, hold on, wait. Fuck, fucking get it. Okay,
I got the meatballs.
Okay. How much food are you getting?
I'm gonna die.
As much as I can.
Okay, I got a 2 liter. There's more stuff here.
There's water.
Is your inventory full?
No, not yet.
Okay, there's a bunch of Doritos here down the bottom. I'm scared. What the fuck? I heard on it. Oh, okay. They are fighting. No, Gus is dying.
God.
Get off of him. No, stop it. Chase me. Yes.
How'd they get in?
I don't
Where
know.
is down to...
No. Oh, I wanna die.
Oh!
Okay, drop him.
But what are you doing? Oh.
Okay. Is he still in here?
Got that. What the fuck is that?
Okay. Holy shit, this guy has a lot of food.
I open up.
Look at this. Look at all the food we have.
I know.
We have meatballs?
Yeah, they have meatballs.
Yeah,
They're known
okay.
for their Swedish meatballs.
We are good. I am
The
timing
brown
it.
sauce.
Yeah. So he is timing it. Oh,
Fuck.
Alright, when I say how much time left. Yo, Saturday night football.
Oh, we're hanging out with the boys.
What teams are playing?
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Gus disconnected the HDMI.
He put, bro, it's a white team versus a white team. Don't you see it?
Gus, are you taking my fucking lightsers, you cunt? I'm traveling far because all the ones near are worn out. I just found some that are kind of near.
Ah! Oh my god! I thought
God.
that's such a bitch move,
I got so scared.
dude. One of the guys has a skin of the IKEA
I
employee.
saw them going up to you guys, and at first I thought it was one of them, but I saw the name tag, and I'm like, okay.
I'm dying.
Like, eat, dumbass. We have a lot of food.
I'm going.
Gus,
It's not working. You guys are the best.
Don't die on me.
my God.
Don't die on me, champ.
It's happening. It's too soon. Too soon.
Do you see the light? Do you see the light?
I see the lights are above. The ones I stole from Manuel.
Wait, are you seriously not able to heal?
No, I can still eat. I don't know why I'm taking so long, but. Oh my god. Okay, start timing it. Start timing it.
This isn't poggers. Okay, well, that was a weird night. Gus has almost fucking died.
I was accepting it already.
It's too soon.
Hola, papayón.
Shut the fuck
No.
up. I need to find one though. 30
Are
seconds,
you
guys. We have 30 seconds.
Shit.
Which one? Which one?
I don't know. Over here. Oh shit, Ben. Fuck. Oh, let's go back to the shit house.
Behind that pallet.
Ahorita lo agarro, muchacho. Get out. Get out. I got you. Shit.
Fucking, I knocked him down. I gave him a good old RKO.
Oh my god, the midget jumped so far!
Sander could move over with us.
Okay. I found the bathtub. There you are. Cause.
Okay, I don't know if he's in my base or not, but I went into my safe room.
I wanna go for a drive. Told you.
That's so fucking gay.
It's not my fault.
Bang.
Bye.
Shut up. Okay, bye.